welcome to Iran Walking Tour. Today, we're taking a peaceful walk in the beautiful city of Lahijan, located in the lush green north of Iran. We're starting our walk in Lahijan Park, right at the foothills of Sheytan Kooh, or Devil's Mountain. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. It's actually one of the most peaceful places in town, with fresh air and scenic views. At the center of the park, there's this beautiful lake called Lahijan Lake. It was built during the Pahlavi era, and over the years, it has become a favorite place for locals to relax, exercise, and enjoy nature. You'll often see people walking, fishing, or just sitting quietly and watching the ducks. A fact, the lake used to be a reservoir that provided water to nearby tea plantations because Lahijan is also famous for its tea. If you're enjoying this walk and learning something new about Iran, please give this video a like, it helps a lot with the channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you love slow, real, and honest walks around beautiful places in Iran. Iran is changing. Even though the government still enforces strict dress codes, you can see more and more women choosing to go out without the hijab as an act of resistance, as a way of expressing their voice. This wasn't common just a few years ago, but today, it's a quiet revolution happening every day on the streets. And people, they're kind, resilient, and full of life.
Ne yapalım? Bir terk edelim.
Thanks for joining me on this peaceful walk through Lahijan. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye from Iran.